The most profitable side hustle of this decade is something less than 1% of people are doing and don't even know makes a ton of money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an AI automation agency from scratch with zero experience, little to no money, and a clear path from $0 to $10,000 per month. This is the same business model I personally used to build recurring income online, and it's been replicated by hundreds of others who started with no background at all. And no, I'm not selling you a course. If you like this video, hit the like button, drop a comment below, and I'll send you a private link with my full step-by-step course, templates, scripts, and one-on-one kickoff call 100% free. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how this agency model actually works, what service to offer as a beginner, how to get your first clients without paid ads, and what to focus on first so you don't waste months going in circles. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you step by step how simple this is to go through and set up for a small local business owner, and how you can actually put your own logo on the software and resell it to businesses as if it was your own and keep 100% of whatever it is that you charge, which means that you get to keep the price points and there's no commission split with the software company who actually builds this out. And so for literally a free 30-day trial, you can go through and get your first clients before you even have to pay a penny to be able to actually use this software. And so this is literally the easiest and best way to go through and start your own software company without going through and learning how to actually develop software or hire developers to go through and do this for you. Okay, so to actually set this up, I'm gonna go right here to AI agents, and I'm just gonna click on create your first voice AI agent. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create a custom agent. I'm gonna click on continue right here. And so as you can see right here, there's three simple parts to this. There's just the details where we're giving it a name, we're putting in the name of the business, we're choosing a voice, what language we want, then we set the goals, and then we actually just connect it with a phone number. So these are the three simple parts to this. What I wanna really quick just show you is this is a company called Hey Rosie, and they sell AI receptionists just like the ones that we're setting up right now. And I just wanted to show you this really quick just to get you a little bit excited about this actual business opportunity, because if we actually scroll down right here, we can see it says trusted by over 1,500 local businesses. And so if we do a little bit of math, we're just gonna come right here to pricing, and we can see that they've got a few different plans. They've got a $49 per month plan, $149, and a $299 per month plan. Now, if we just kind of average this out and say that on average, they're making about $100 a month a customer, what we can do then is multiply that by 1,500 local businesses who are active customers who are using a real AI receptionist in their business that's custom trained to their business every single month. If we put these numbers into ChatGPT, that is $150,000 in monthly recurring revenue for this business. Now, the big difference with what I'm going to show you now is this company, they had to actually go through and get developers to go through and build this AI software to actually go through and sell it. So their margins are going to be a lot worse, and they're gonna just have a lot higher costs. Whereas we can literally take this software, and on just one simple plan, you can have literally unlimited clients where you don't actually have to pay an additional penny for each new client that you bring on. Okay, so that was my little side tangent, but I just wanted you to be able to see that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and name this agent. We're gonna call her Sarah, and we're just gonna set this up for Johnny's Sauna Business. So as an example, we'll set this up for a local sauna builder. And then we've got voices right here where you can actually go through and choose. They just keep adding voices, but right now there's it says 311 voices found. So you can come in here, you can choose a language. And as you can see, there's like a ton of languages that you can actually go through and choose. And then we've got the accents right here that you can come through. If depending on where you are, you might want to choose a different accent, or you might have a client who wants to use a specific accent. And then we got genders right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on American accent, and I'm going to click on female. And then we're just going to come in and we're going to look, and I'm going to actually come in here and we're going to try Dakota. It looks like that has a lot of positive feedback. So I'm going to select Dakota, and I'm going to click on save voice. And then right here is where we can actually choose what type of AI model we want to actually use for the AI receptionist. And so as you can see, there's a bunch of different ChatGPT options. There's a bunch of different options with Gemini and as well as Cloud. And so I'm just going to leave this as a recommended right here. But as you can see right here, the price per minute is pretty similar, but I'm just going to leave this as is right now, which is 2 cents a minute, which you can have your local business client actually cover the cost of that. Okay, so now coming down to the agent's initial message, this is just the first thing that you have the AI agent say every time it answers a phone call, or if you want to set it up for outbound phone calls, you can do that as well. But we'll cover that in a different video. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, hey, you have reached Johnny's Sauna Business. How can I help you today? So I'm going to go ahead and click on next now. And so we're right now inside of agent goals. And so I'm going to keep this super simple right now. There's a few different ways you can go and customize this, but what I'm going to set up for this AI receptionist right now is the goal is we just want to collect their name, we want to collect the email, and because this is a home services business, maybe we could ask for the address. In this case, I'm just going to ask for the contact's issue. In other words, what is their inquiry? What are they actually looking for? And notice it doesn't have the option to collect their phone number, because if they're calling into the business, the AI receptionist will already be able to pull in whoever's calling in their actual phone number. So if we come down right here to where it says receive email notification post call completion, what's going to happen is every time a call is complete, they're going to get an email and a text message that is going to give them a quick update, kind of like a summary about what was talked about on the phone call. That way, when they actually go through and reach back out to whoever called in, they're going to be caught up. They're going to understand what this person's actually looking for. And they can also get notified if the person actually ends up booking an appointment on their calendar. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to click on next right here. And this is where we actually choose a phone number for the business. Now, the way that I like to do it is, and it's mainly because this is how local businesses like it to be set up, is they want to still have the opportunity to be able to answer the phone if they're available. And so what we usually set up is we enable the AI agent as a backup to their actual phone number. So if somebody calls in and it's after hours, or the local business owner is busy on the job, or they're on a break, the AI agent will just come in and answer the call in place of their voicemail. And so that way, the actual phone number and the area code of the AI agent that we set up for them, it doesn't matter as much, because potential customers are still going to be calling in to their normal phone number. And so what I typically do is I'm just going to come in here to buy a new number. And as you can see right here, I have a bunch of phone numbers, but I'm just going to click on add number. And then right here, I'm going to click on filter. And then I'm going to actually unselect local. And so we're going to actually go through and find a toll-free phone number. And the reason for this is because it usually gets approved. If they want to use this phone number to send text messages as well, usually you can get your toll-free number approved much quicker than an actual local business phone number. And so I would just come in here, I'd pick one of these phone numbers because it doesn't super matter. And then I would just go ahead and click on proceed to buy. Okay, so once we have that phone number, I just come in here and make sure that we select that phone number. And then all I do is come over here and hit save. Now, one last thing before we actually go through and give this a phone call so that you can see how it works in action, I just want to show you how simple this is to go through and actually forward missed calls to this new AI number. But for example, let's say this local sauna builder, they have AT&T. So what this means is all we do to be able to forward their missed calls to this new number is they just have to go on their phone. So, which means these businesses, they don't have to ever log in to the AI software platform and actually learn anything. They don't have to do anything. And so all we ask them to do, we just tell them to put in *72 for AT&T and then the new number. And then we just press call. That's literally it. Now, I'm actually wrong there because this says to forward all calls to the new number. So if we want to forward only missed calls, it's still pretty much the same, but it's *92, and then we give them that new phone number that we just purchased for them. And then just as I said a second ago, they just go ahead and press call. And so just doing that one thing will now automatically send every single one of their missed calls to this new AI number so that it can capture all of these incoming phone calls, find out what the potential customer is looking for, book an appointment, and then actually notify the business owner immediately via text and email about what was talked about on the phone call so that they are better informed when they actually go through and follow up. As you can see right here, if the business owner has Verizon and we want to set it up for missed calls only, we just have it do *71, new number, and then press call. Okay, so I just put in my phone number and I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a call so that we can see how this does.
Hey, you have reached Johnny's Sauna Business. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I was just calling. I was wanting to see if somebody could come out this week. I'm looking at getting a sauna built in my backyard.
Got it. Let me take down a few details so we can have someone follow up with you about scheduling and next steps. Can I start with your name, please?
Yeah, it's Travis. Travis Wardrop.
Thanks, Travis. Let me confirm that Travis, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Perfect. Could you share your email address so we can contact you?
Yeah, it's travis@gmail.com.
Got it. So that's travis@gmail.com, correct?
Yep, that's right.
Perfect. And just to confirm, you're looking to have a sauna built in your backyard, correct?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, Travis. I've got all your details noted, and someone from our team will reach out to you soon to discuss scheduling and the next steps. Thanks for reaching out, and have a great day.
Awesome, thanks. Okay, so that was a very simple yet powerful way that a potential customer can actually go through and leave a message for a business owner as opposed to just getting voicemail. Now, I will have future videos where I'm actually going through and breaking down how to actually custom train the AI voice agent even more. But for a business owner to be able to get something like this set up in their business, to be able to actually take a solid message and have a little bit of information on who is actually calling into the business before they actually go and reach back out, this is something that's going to save them deals. And also, if you're working with a sauna business, I use sauna as an example of something that is higher ticket, because one phone call could be worth thousands of dollars for that business. And so if you want to go reach out to orthodontists, remodeling business, or roofing businesses, these businesses really value each individual phone call, because that could be one deal that's worth tens of thousands of dollars. And then, as I said at the beginning, if you want to actually get access to the free step-by-step course of how we're actually going through and getting traffic, getting local businesses interested in actually setting up an AI receptionist in their business, all you got to do is just drop a comment down below. Consider sharing this with a friend who you could actually do this with, because it's more fun to do it with a team. And then I'll send you the link to get access to the free step-by-step course, plus a 30-day free trial to the AI software, and hop into a free live bootcamp so that you can hit the ground running and get your first paying clients in the next 30 days.